If you're searching for a historic home with modern conveniences and you dream of living on a horse farm with your own pristine fishing pond, take a look at this special home in Haddam, Connecticut.
Hi, I'm Debbie with another gem to share with you. Take a look around with John, and when you're done, I'll meet you inside. Welcome back. This bright kitchen nook is a lovely spot for a warm drink and a view of the pond.
The breakfast nook adjoins this spacious, light-filled kitchen with its cathedral ceiling, custom-made cherry cabinets, and abundant workspace next to the first-floor laundry. The durable, easy-to-clean flooring helps make this kitchen beautiful and extremely functional.
There's nothing like a real wood fire to make your home feel warm and cozy. I have so much more to show you in this beautiful home. Call me to schedule your tour. I look forward to hearing from you.